Okay, Assalamualaikum. We meet again. Okay, now we continue to how to edit and go to other information from the software. Okay, now we try to use this software to get the information from this database. Okay, now after you search mesh and then you got the pattern, and then you can see the information each pattern from this right panel. For example, I click from that tree panel. Okay, from data tree you can see the information of the database. Okay, the formula, the name, PDF number, and everything here. Okay, also you can see the detail from this tab. Okay, just click database view, DB view, and then you can see the more information, D spacing, 2 theta, intensity, HKL number from here. Okay, now for example, I want to see all of them, so I click one by one. Okay, the second sample, I click database view. Okay, the third sample also click database view, and then the fourth sample also click database view. Okay, now you have 4 database view. Okay, how to use them in PDF? Just click print preview here. Okay, print preview, don't print preview. Okay, click print preview, and then you can see the information in PDF view. Okay, now this is the pattern what you focus just now, and then this is database. Okay, this is database view in PDF. Okay, this PDF you can save from here, Microsoft Print to PDF. Okay, and then you can click print, and then you can save at any location in computer. Okay, make any name. Okay, for example, this is combined face. Okay, and then you can save in desktop. Okay, save. Okay, done. Now you can close this. Okay, now how to copy this picture, this diffractogram, to words? Also can. So you can right click here, you can click bitmap, copy bitmap, or copy as meta file to paste to words, or you can click here. Okay, same method. Okay, for example, I click here, copy as meta file, and then I open words. Okay, from here you can paste the result. Okay, change the layout to make it clear. You can see. Okay, this is the result you zoom just now. Okay, and then you can save. Okay, so if you zoom like this, you can get picture like this. If you zoom out, you can see the zoom out picture like this. Okay, if you don't want the pattern, this pattern color, you can disable this color. Just click the pattern, the database, and go to visible here. Okay, and then go to 1D view and you see the pattern again, and then you can copy this picture. Okay, now this is how you edit your sample pattern. And then you want to export this pattern to Excel. Okay, now you can export using this you can export this from, okay, just click the pattern first, click your raw file first, and then export scan. Okay, click export scan, and then you can save as XY file. Okay, so for example, this is combine faces. Okay, .xy. Okay, and then you save, and then when you open the Excel, okay, and then open the Excel, and then go to data. Okay, go to from text, and then go to your data save just now, click all file. You can see this is the data face XY. Okay, try to import. Okay, this is the data. Okay, click space. Okay, click space to make it the numbers separated. This is 2 theta number, this is the intensity number. Okay, click space. Okay, now load. Okay, so now you got the 2 column have the information. So you can select all these, select all these until below, and then you can change to graph pattern. Okay, so I choose this chart. Okay, I choose this one or this one. So okay, so you can see the pattern in Excel. Okay, now in Excel, so easier to you modify the name, you label everything from here. Okay, so this is how you edit your data XRD from EVA and from Microsoft Word and Excel. Okay, thank you very much.